Hi, good morning. Welcome to the third part of the chapter Understanding Shapes in the Geometry. So, in the last two classes, we learned first part we learned polygon, second part we learn regular polygon. In today's part, we are going to learn quadrilateral. So, very simple. Quadrilateral means what? Bounded by a plane figure bounded by four sides. A plane figure bounded by four sides. ABCD is quadrilateral means AB is one side, BC is one side, CD is one side, and AD is one side of the polygon. So, if you add all the angles of the polygon, sum of angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Sum of angles of the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So, we are using this sum of the angles of quadrilateral. We are going to solve the problems on this. So, in that first problem, I am taking two angles of a quadrilateral are 89 degree and 113 degree. If other two angles are equal, find each other. So, sum of angle of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. If you add all the angles, they are given two angles, 89 plus 113 plus. So if four sides, quadrilateral having four sides means four angles. So, 4 angles means 2 angles they are given. Other 2 angles are equal. So, other 2 angles are equal. We have to find other 2 angles. 89 plus 113. That is, we will get 202, 2x, 360. 2x is equal to 360 degree minus. Plus 2 not 2 go to that side. What you will get? Minus 2 not 2. Then the you will get here 158 2x. 360 2 not 2 will go means 158. That is x is equal to 158 divided by 2. 2 7s are 1 is remaining here. 2 9s are. What is the value of degree of other two angles of the quadrilateral? Each angle is 79. So if you add 79 plus 79, 113 plus 89, again that sum will be equal to 360 degree. For your verification, you can add, if your answer is correct or not. If you want to judge, means you can add all the four angles of the quadrilateral. You can easily verify the answer. Next problem. If two angles of a quadrilateral are 68 degree and 76 degree. Sum of angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. In that, two angles are given, 68 degree plus 76 degree. Other two angles are in the ratio they are given, 5:7. You can consider 5x plus 7x is equal to 360 degree. 5x plus 7x. So if you add 68 plus 76, you will get 144. 5x plus 7x, 12x, 360 degree. 12x is equal to 360 degree minus plus 144, you can shift to that side. Minus 144. In 360, 144 will go means 216. That is x is equal to 216 divided by 12 means you will get 18. What is the value of x? 18. Then we have to find the each two angles ratio. First angle is 5x, 5 into 12. Second one is 7x, 7 into 12 because 18. Because x value is 18. 18 5s are how much? 18 5s are 90. Next up. 8. 18 7s are 126. 126. So if you add 126 plus 90 plus 68 plus 76, then the sum will be equal to 360 degrees. So it will come. If it is not coming properly, means your answer is wrong. So by that you can do, after solving the problems, you can verify the answer, then only you can easily know that your answer is correct or not. Next problem is, angles of the quadrilateral are in 4x degree, 5 into x plus 2 degree, 7x minus 20 degree, 6 into x plus 3 degree. Find the value of x and find each angles of the quadrilateral. We know that what is the sum of the quadrilateral? Angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Which are the angles that are given? 4x plus 5 into x plus 2. Just I am writing as it is. Later we can simplify. These are the 4 angles they are given. That sum must be equal to 360 degree. 4x, 5 into x, 5x, because 5 is outside the bracket. That's why we have to multiply 5 into 2 terms within the bracket. 5 2s are 10. 7x minus 20. 6 into x, 6x. 6 3s are 18. 360 degree. So, if you add all the algebraic terms, 4x plus 5x, 9x, 9x plus 7 is 6x, sorry 16x, 16x plus 6 is 22x. So if you add 10 plus 18, 28, 28, 20 will goes means plus 8, 360 degree, 360 degree. Then you can shift 22x plus 8, you can shift to that side, minus 8. 22x is equal to 352. So later x is equal to 352 divided by 22. It will go 16 times. That is x value is equal to 16. You can divide 352 divided by 22. You will get the answer is 60. Then you have to find each angle. 4 into x, 4 into 16, that is 64 degree. First angle is 64 because x value is 16. 16 into 4, 64. If you want to find second value, means here second 5 into x, 5x plus 10. 5 into 16 plus 10. 16 5s are 80. 80 plus 10, 90. 80 plus 10, 90 degree. Next one they are given 7x minus 20. 7 into 16 minus 20. 16 7s are 102 plus 20. That is 92. Next last one is 6x plus 18. 6 into 16 plus 18. 96 plus 18 is 114. So 114, 92, 90, 64. You add all four angles. So the sum must be equal to 360 degree. So nothing to that. You can apply the formula. First you find the x value. Later you can substitute in each angle there given. Find out the answer. Next problem. The angles of the quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:4:5:6. Find all the angles. Find all the angles. So sum of the angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. What is the ratio they are given? 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 360 degree. Add all. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18x is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 degree divided by 18. 2s are 80, 2s are 36. 0 will come as it is. So we find out x value. Next you find all the values angles of the quadrilateral. 3x, 3 into 20, 60. Next 4x, 4 into 20, 80. Next 5x, 5 into 20, 100. Next 6x, 6 into 20, 120. If you add all the angles, 80 plus 60, 140. 140 plus 200. Sorry, 140 plus 100, 240. 240 plus 120, 360 degree. So like this you can verify the answer very easily also. Moving to next problem. Next one. So in this question, what we have to find out means value of x. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral, but we don't know the angle of one of the angle of the quadrilateral. That's why we use straight line EBC. In straight line EBC, sum of the angles of the straight line is equal to the 180 degree. If you add all the angles in the straight line at a point of vertex, you will get sum must be equal to 180 degree. Which are the angles are there here? BAE, ABE plus ABC is equal to 180 degree. ABE they are given 70. So therefore ABC is equal to 180 degree. First you find ABC angle. 180 minus 70, you will get 110 degree. So this angle is how much? 110 degree. Next you can apply in a quadrilateral ABCD. Angle A is equal to 80, angle B 110, C 3x minus 6 plus D 56. The total sum must be equal to 360 degree. So here we can add 80 plus 110, 190, 190 plus 56. You'll get 246 and minus 6 means 240. 3x plus 240 is equal to 360 degree. 3x is equal to 360 minus 240, that is equal to 120. Therefore, x value is equal to 3x is equal to 120. X is equal to 40 degree. Like this, we are going to solve the problems on the quadrilateral. By this, we coming to the end of this chapter. So, in this chapter, you have to learn the formulas of polygon and learn the formulas of regular polygon and learn the formulas of quadrilateral and solve the problems. Thank you.